Morning, YouTube. This is Pig at the Haze. Thanks for joining me this morning. I wanted to make a quick video on the charts. Um, my wife's working today, so I'm going to be watching the kids. I'm going to go outside in the backyard and clean it up. Looks like the wind's starting to pick up here, so I'm going to put some more stakes in my plants and probably start digging where my patio is going to be poured for the concrete's going to be poured for my patio. I gotta level it out and make it a little deeper. So I'm gonna do that today. I might do a time lapse on it or just my video talking. So while I work, let's just get into it real quick. Oh, actually, sorry about the live stream yesterday. The little test run. I need OBS Studio again. I deleted it because I didn't think I needed it anymore. But apparently for live you do. So I'm gonna figure that out. I'm trying to get that going so we can get the live stream going. Yeah, that's about it on that. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Refresh. Well, we went from $210 billion to $217 billion now. And with that, let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is at 64.34 right now. We got a nice, well, not nice. We have consolidation happening here. Still on a little downtrend, though. You can see the angle still coming downward. We'd like to see a green candle come back up above this green trend line right here. As you can see, we formed this green uptrend channel starting way back here. I've been showing you guys. Get rid of all that. As you can see, we started it down here in 2015 and 16, and we've come up. It's going to end up creating a point here. That tells you that this is a squeeze channel. So it wants to stay in here. It doesn't want to stay in here. It wants to be above it, okay? Because exponential growth in blockchain and crypto, that's the whole point of blockchain and crypto is exponential growth, not debt, okay? So we are growing. Even though we're in a bear market, we're growing. I don't care what anybody says. I understand how this works. For anybody out there who says people don't understand how this market, well, guess what? I'm one of those that understands. I know that you can buy it down here, and I know you can sell up here. Rebuy back here, sell at the next point, which I think is going to be right here. But if you're at the top, you could also short the market all the way down, okay? I understand all the different aspects of the market and trading, okay? It just honestly is like you need a good amount to really start. Not a good amount, but you know, $1,000 to start would be nice. I never had $1,000 just to start in crypto, okay? I started with $190. I've thrown like 100 or two here and there, but I'm pretty much using mostly profits out of this market from those little put-ins that I did. I made money off Ripple, Tron, Neo. I mean, there was a time where my buddy and I just nonstop just kept going coin to coin, next coin, next coin, next coin. But that's when I went to Texas, and I didn't have internet over to Texas for a period of time. So yeah, that's off topic. Let's go back to Bitcoin. As you can see, we fell hard here. I thought I thought we had a chance to come through here. But obviously, nobody wanted to go through here. The elites pushed that shit right back down. So we're back here, back where we started. You can see the buyers are starting to come in. You know, we're at the end of a bear market. I don't know how many times I need to say this. Like, this can only go on for so long. We've already tested this channel or this downtrend resistance 3 times. Okay, magic number is always 3. So the next time, expect a push up. All right. I still believe we're going to 10K way before Christmas. I think we'll be at 10K by September, October. Excuse me. I definitely think we'll be over 20K. I think we'll be around 25K for Christmas, which, let's go with Christmas time. Definitely breaking this channel line right here. I think we're going to come up here and start breaking through this way. That's just my opinion, though, you know. We could hit here and bounce right back down to one of these lines. If you can see, this line I got, this red one, this is that $5,500 line. That's the miner's price right there. All the people mining Bitcoin, if Bitcoin drops below 5,500, guess what? It's not profitable anymore. Miners are not going to want to mine. It's not going to happen. They're not going to let this price fall below 5,500. Okay? It's just, it can't happen. So all you people saying Bitcoin is going to 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, you're out of your mind. You're straight up out of your mind. Okay, so we got the 5,500 right here, and then we have another strong line, not strong, but we have another line of support right here, just below 5,000. Again, I don't think we're going to 5,000. I don't even think we're going to 5,500. Okay, we got all these lines of support right here, all these lines of support, okay? And at the end of all these lines of support, when they meet the downtrend, those all create apex points, okay? Those are all possible points of exploding up. Now, if we work our way up to here, somewhere around here, that could easily pop us right back up in here. Put us up at 10,000. I still think we're going to hit 10,000. Like, this bear market is not going to last years, okay? I don't care if you've seen a bear market in crypto last years or not, like whether you were in it or not, it doesn't matter. The adoption of crypto is faster than you all think, and this bear market right here proves it. Like, look at this. Look at this peak. Almost 20,000, couldn't break 20. Like, consolidating this. To me, this isn't bad. Like, I don't know what people are freaking out for. This is not a crash. This is just normal. Like, I don't want to say normal, but like, this is consolidation, man. The price is getting its balance back, right? We're not crashing. The miners need profit, so it's not going below 5,500. So everybody needs to stop saying that. If it goes below 5,500, I will eat my words and say I was wrong, all right? But just for the simple fact that Bitcoin or the Bitcoin miners need profit, it's not dropping below 5,500. Okay, again, is it a good time to invest? Yes. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to trade, like, message me or go to Bitcoin Ben and watch him show you where to not buy and not sell. He just tells you, hey, if you want to know, buy my course. I'm not telling you that. If I don't have a course, I'm probably not going to make a course. You want to learn how to trade, just hit me up. Like, I'm not trying to sell you courses. I'm not trying to do anything like that. And his courses pretty much teach you how to use JAFX and shorting the market, which you don't have to do. Like, if you want to be a day trader, a swing trader, if you want to do this all the time on all the ups and downs, then go ahead, buy it. It's a cheap course, $110. It is worth it, but at the same time, like, his live shows, they don't really. I don't want to talk shit or anything. It's like, they keep watching him. It's just the same thing over and over again. You tired of losing money? You tired of losing money? And he, like, draws a circle here. He draws a circle here. And he draws a circle here. And he draws a circle here. And then he draws a circle here and here. And that's all he says. You want to make money in a bear market? You tired of losing money in a bear market? Buy my course. Yeah, I get it. You're trying to make money off your course and all that. But you know what? Like, this is pretty self-explanatory. If you see a bottom, you buy. Once it hits the top of resistance like this and you know it's not going to break, even if you think it might break, like I did. I thought it might break, but at the same time, like, as soon as you get this confirmation, this down candle right here, as soon as you see that next candle form right there, you're out. And you wait for it to fall back to the bottom like it is now, and you buy again. Sorry, my son. Like it's simple. You buy here, and the next run up you sell, or you just wait for that confirmation, then sell. And even if it does a confirmation up, well, guess what? That means we're going up. You hold on longer. Okay, like this isn't as hard as people make it seem. You just need some capital or funds to start with. Okay. And don't be afraid to lose, because when you lose, you learn what you did wrong. That way you don't do it again. So that's a Bitcoin chart. I think we're hitting kind of smash. Like, the wicks kind of almost hit perfect. Wick hit perfect on that 6,000. What is it? $6,000, 6,026, and then the top of the wick hit that uptrend green channel. Didn't want to come through it yet. That's at the 64.79. Yeah, we'll see how it plays out. We could see another red candle coming down a little lower, or we could just see a green candle start up here and just work our way back, or we could work our way this way. There's definitely different things that can happen. But again, it's not a bad time to invest in crypto or Bitcoin or Ethereum, like anything. Like, all these coins are so cheap right now, so cheap. It's almost like you can't even. This is easier than picking lottery numbers for your state lottery. Like, all these coins are so cheap. The next bull run is. You're going to make money no matter what coin you're in. So that's Bitcoin right now. See, we got this. Here's the other Bitcoin chart on the dollar. Oops. As you can see, like, we fell hard here, and now we're starting to consolidate because buyers know we're at another bottom. Like, it's not bottom. This could be the bottom right here at the $5,996. We could see one more candle fall right down to it, and then at the bottom here we'll see a green candle break through, and that's going to be that sign where an uptrend is coming again. Okay, so it's really not as hard as everybody thinks it is. Okay. This isn't rocket science, man. Like, there's trends, there's patterns. Just follow the trends and patterns. Like, look at this. Look at this. Let's go zoom out far away, okay? Look at this. This is a daily chart, okay? Exponential growth. Always wants to grow, okay? Look at, we rode this right on the line right here. I would not be surprised if we started riding in this green channel a little bit. And once we start getting squeezed, we're going to squeeze out, and we're going to have getting squeezed in this channel here. And we're going to squeeze, and we're going to pop right up to this big channel where that last run formed, okay? That last run formed this big channel up here. That means we're going back in it, okay? I think we're going to be over $50,000 by March. That's my opinion. You can take it or leave it. I don't care. Even if this bear market were to continue all the way down through here, I don't think it will. But I mean, it can. I'm not going to deny it. All right. If we pop up here again and don't break through, we could see this going all the way back down to the 5,500 mark in December. And then December, we could see Bitcoin popping. This is a major line of resistance right there. We could see Bitcoin popping up through all these levels through here. So we just pop up here, start working our way in here. We would eventually come up here. I mean, I hope it doesn't go this long. I'm not denying that it will, but I'm not saying it will. I'm not saying it won't. I'm just saying it's a possibility that we can. This bear market could stretch all the way to December, okay? I think because we tested 1, 2, 3, I think we're going to come up and start breaking through here. But we'll see. We'll see. It's a good time to invest. Every dip you should be, if you're not trading, accumulate. So some of these YouTubers don't understand that are like pushing people to like, you're tired of losing money? Well, of course everybody's tired of losing money, but you need to understand that the way crypto is built, these huge run-ups are going to keep happening. This is still in an early phase. Like, this is going to these cycles, they're going to keep going. Like, they don't stop. Even the stock market, you see the cycles. Well, crypto is the same thing, and it's built to grow. So here we're in a bear market. Next is coming a bull market. Okay, the bull market is going to bring Bitcoin to $25,000 to $50,000. You know, and depending on how fast elites want mass adoption, I'm not saying Bitcoin will be $100,000 by Christmas, but with enough momentum and enough institutional power, it can. You can't deny that. I don't think it's going to hit 100,000 this year anymore at all, but I do still think it's going to hit 25 to 50K, and I think by March next year it's going to be at the 50 to 100,000. So think what you want. That's my opinion. These uptrends clearly show where we're headed. I mean, this spike hit that uptrend. This uptrend is a new channel because we started down here. It doesn't want to stay in the same channel, you can tell. That's where big money's made, okay? So we'll end up creeping back up, and these are squeeze points in here. Like, we could very well squeeze all the way up here. Yes, Zena! So that's that. Ethereum again. We formed multiple. You can tell by all the angles of the slopes and highs and lows we've made. So you can see this made a squeeze triangle right here. So as soon as we got in it, we squeezed right up. Okay. Same with this one. We formed this triangle right here, and we rode it, and we squeezed towards the end, and we popped up. You know, squeeze, pop up. Okay. Now there's no squeeze points in here. That's why we hit the top, and boom, we're falling. Okay. Well, here's a squeeze point right here. Okay, right here. So Ethereum. This is a daily chart. These are my long-term trends. We're going to end up hitting somewhere around here on this trend line, and we're going to end up popping up, hitting this one, consolidating through here, and once we get to a point where it squeezes together, we're going to end up popping right up through here. Okay? It's going to get interesting at the end of this year and into 2019. It's going to get very, very exciting. Litecoin again. Kind of the same thing. I mean, we're pretty much at the end. Once you pop up, you know, this could go. XLM, you can tell it's getting ready to pop. You can tell it's getting ready to pop. All right. My graph got deleted, but in my old graph, you saw I had arrows that showed we were going to come down right here, hit this yellow again, and then pop back up and skyrocket. Well, that's what we're going to do. Okay. You can tell it's pretty obvious how Stellar works, and we're at the end again. We're at the end again. Okay. This isn't rocket science. Verge. Look at Verge. See a Verge? It fell out of this triangle right here. We failed. We're going to come back down to about 1 cent. We're going to start riding up. And then we're going to come to this apex and pop. We're going to go up. We're going to ride this triangle right here. Once it gets too tight, we're going to pop up. Okay, we're going to see over a $2 verge come March. More sooner. You can tell with verge right here. Oops. You can tell. I gotta hurry up with this video. I'm gonna run out of space on my computer. Just real quick, verge. It's created this rounding right here. Boom. Okay, well when this thing's done rounding, what's gonna happen? We're gonna end up popping. We're gonna boom. Okay. Ripple, kind of the same thing. Fell out of that pattern just recently. That last dip, I think it's the last dip. I think this is where all the institutions are buying super cheap and governments. Tron has actually fallen into this new channel down here, which is totally fine because as soon as it gets to the end of it, we're going to see huge growth. We're going to see over $3 Tron. I think by November, maybe Christmas, definitely going to see big ups. NEM, XEM. This is my, I don't want to say favorite, but I'll tell you right now, I'm coming into some money to be investing in, and I'm just going to tell you this. A lot of it is going to NEM. Why? Look at this, okay? Every single year, we get a huge growth, okay? We're at the end of a bear market. If we take the same growth year to year, and we add it to the next years, boom, we can see a $13 XEM. We could even see a possible $90+ new economy movement token or coin, whatever you want to call it. Not having the greatest morning. Bear with me. So yeah, you can tell it's kind of a rounded area right here. So what happens? You got to round out the other side. Well, when we round out the other side, look what happened here. We rounded right here, and boom, we kind of rounded straight up right there. So it's coming again, you guys. It's definitely coming again. And on my charts, between Christmas and March, it looks very promising. I think that's going to be the bull market. I think March is going to be the tip where we start breaking back down. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys, you need to get on Steam it. Look at what Facebook and YouTube and Spotify, look at all these companies, these big corporations. Look what they're doing to these YouTubers and people that talk about real news. Mainstream media is not real news. Whether you think so or not, you're wrong if you think mainstream media provides you accurate news. Okay? They're shutting down and they're silencing YouTubers and newscasters that talk about real truth, real news. And this is why Steemit and DTube is so important. It's decentralized. You know, our money needs to be decentralized. Our media needs to be decentralized. Everything needs to be decentralized because these elites, these governments, they're pushing for one agenda, and it's not a good agenda. And if you don't see it, you need to wake up. So get on YouTube, or not. I'm sorry, not YouTube. Get on Steemit and DTube. All right, it's very important. I want to do live streaming talking about these issues, but I need to figure out live stream first. I need to get OBS again. I'll probably do that either tonight or tomorrow. Figure it out. I gotta clean up my backyard. Yeah, I'm refinancing my house. I'm putting money into the house, so I need to get it all cleaned up so that we can work on the house when I do get my money. So, yeah. That's about it. I'm going to go work outside. I think his name's David Harris Jr. Go support him. Facebook took down his monetary, how you can make money on Facebook and ads and stuff. They took it away from him again for no reason. And Dude seems like a good guy. He's got really good points. He talks about a lot of good news and what's really happening in the world. So if you can, go support him. That'd be cool. He seems like he's hurting right now. Not for money, just by the political atmosphere, I guess, that's going on. It is disgusting. I wish I could talk about it more, but I only have 35 viewers right now, so I'm sure if I start talking about that stuff, my channel is probably going to get banned really fast. So I'm trying to get established first on these platforms, including Steam and DTube. When I get my money, I will show you how I'm investing it. And after I invest it, once the next bull run starts, you're going to see how rich I get. Okay? So that's about all I got right now. I'm going to go work in the backyard. I'll probably make a video out there, like I said. All right, guys. Have a good day. It's the weekend. I think it's Saturday, right? I think it's Saturday. Yeah. Enjoy. We actually got sun the last 2 days. Finally. The only place in America that seems to be not over 70 degrees. I don't even know if I've hit 70 degrees yet this year. So, that's about it. Have a good day, guys. Peace out.